What's up? It's Stella Perry.
And Baby Ann.
And this is our first YouTube video.
It's Friday night.
And
our friend Katie just left, which she should be here in this video because she is one of our best friends. Hi, Katie.
Shout out to all you haters out there. All the bitches.
Wannabes.
You know, hookers, prostitutes, whatever. We love you, you know.
We love all of you.
Keep hating. Because the more you hating and discriminating, the more we love you. We got so much love for y'all. So anyway.
So we just decided to make this because we've been best friends for like 2 years. And we got a lot to show. So
comment.
Yeah, comment.
Subscribe.
Send emails.
Private messages.
Tell us what you think about us.
Video response. All that good stuff.
Yeah, just let us know.
Are we in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Don't we take shit there now?
What?
Don't we take shit there?
Yeah.
Change the piss on.
You.
Take your AIDS medication.
Alrighty then. So comment, subscribe, and let us know what you think. And hopefully we get a lot of viewers.
I think I hear my dog
sucking
a cat. I gotta go. We'll be back. Don't you? Okay.